Breaking news! You have reached the end of the course. Congratulations! Now, before you go, remember that down below you will find a pre-shoot checklist that's white labeled so you can immediately begin using it for your clients, or you can use Photoshop to add your own branding to it. You'll also find a document called the legwork where you'll see all of the equipment that I use and all of the apps that I use to run my business, and links for you to be able to purchase them yourself. You will also find a list of editors that you can investigate and check out. The very first one is the one that I've been using for the last several years, and I really like them. But they're all very good, they've all been vetted, and are solid editor choices. Thanks again for checking out Stress-Free Real Estate Photography. I hope that you're leaving this course with the confidence and information you need to go out and be great and start your empire. Best of luck to you, and happy shooting!